trying to lose weight, can it be extremely annoying? Especially if you hate working out. What if I could show you how to lose 1 to 3 pounds a day without exercising? Now, I'm not telling you not to work out, but what I am saying is that you will lose weight. I didn't believe it at first until I saw several of my friends look like a totally different person. Guys, the secret is the Solution Kit. You will lose 1 to 3 pounds a day just by using these products. Now again, I'm not telling you not to exercise, but what I am saying is that every morning when you get on the scale, you're going to see a lighter weight. Take a look at some of these testimonials to just see how amazing this kit is working for several people around the world. When you're ready to order, get back to the person who showed you this video and let's get you rocking.
The Solution Kit is amazing. You have got to get it if you are serious about losing weight. The NutriBurst vitamin truly is like eating 10 salads. Who does that? The ISO tea is the gateway. That is your detox tea. Helps your digestion. You can stick with a 1,200 calorie a day diet. You will never be hungry because of the drops. Make a decision. You're tired of excess fat. Get your kit now.